Did you know that every 56 seconds, a senior somewhere in the world experiences a dangerous fall, not due to an injury, but because of something that happens silently within their body? Muscle weakness and frailty, often unnoticed, are responsible for more falls among seniors than we care to admit. Today, I'm here to share with you a powerful secret, one vegetable that could help restore your muscle strength like you're 40 again. Muscle loss after the age of 60 is a widespread issue, and it doesn't happen overnight. It creeps in slowly, and before you know it, stairs feel steeper, standing up from a chair feels like a challenge, and leg cramps seem to be more frequent. But it doesn't have to be this way. There are specific vegetables, backed by science, that can help reverse the effects of muscle wasting. In this video, I'll reveal the 5 most powerful vegetables to help restore your leg strength, ranked from number 5 to the ultimate number 1. Trust me, the last vegetable is so potent that researchers are now testing it in stroke rehab clinics. So stick around to the end, and you'll find out exactly which vegetable holds the key to keeping your muscles strong and your body mobile. Red cabbage. As we age, we often notice that everyday tasks, like standing up from a chair or climbing stairs, become more challenging. It's not just about getting older. It's the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength. After 60, muscle strength can drop significantly, leading to weakness and reduced mobility. But here's some good news. Red cabbage might be the answer. It may not seem like a muscle-building food, but it's packed with anthocyanins, antioxidants that fight inflammation and protect muscle fibers from oxidative damage. Inflammation, which becomes more common with age, harms our muscles and slows recovery. Red cabbage helps reverse this process, supporting muscle strength and repair. A study in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism found that older adults who ate just half a cup of red cabbage daily experienced a 23% reduction in C-reactive protein, a marker of inflammation. This means not only are your muscles being protected from damage, but they're also recovering more quickly. However, most people overcook red cabbage, destroying its beneficial compounds. To get the most out of it, try eating it raw in salads or lightly steaming it for a few minutes. This preserves the muscle repairing properties and helps improve digestion and gut health, which is vital as we age. If you're someone who gets stiff after sitting or feels worn out from walking, red cabbage could be just what you need to start rebuilding muscle strength. It's an easy addition to your meals that could help you feel stronger and more energized. But that's not all. By including red cabbage in your diet regularly, you're also improving overall health. It supports your immune system, helps manage blood pressure, and provides vital nutrients like vitamin C and fiber. This simple vegetable does more than just aid muscle recovery. It's a full-body health booster. So what do you think? Are you ready to give red cabbage a try? Keep watching, because we're about to explore another powerful vegetable that's perfect for boosting leg strength. Beet greens. Did you know that by tossing beet greens into the trash, you might be discarding one of the best-kept secrets for muscle strength? Beet greens are loaded with bioavailable nitrates, more than spinach, kale, or arugula. These nitrates are converted into nitric oxide in the body, which plays a crucial role in improving blood flow and oxygenating your muscles. This is especially important as we age, because poor circulation slows down muscle recovery and increases fatigue. A 2019 study from the Journal of Applied Physiology found that seniors over 65 who ate just 2 cups of beet greens daily saw an 18% increase in quadriceps power within just 10 days. This improvement happened because the nitrates from beet greens help enhance oxygen delivery to the muscles, allowing them to recover faster and work more efficiently. But beet greens are more than just a source of nitrates. They also provide a perfect balance of magnesium and calcium, which are essential for muscle function. Magnesium helps relax the muscles and prevent cramps, while calcium aids in muscle contraction. As we get older, maintaining the right balance of these minerals becomes even more critical for muscle health. Additionally, beet greens help reduce inflammation by lowering C-reactive protein levels by up to 30%, a benefit that can ease the joint stiffness and discomfort that often comes with aging. Adding beet greens to your diet is simple. You can lightly steam them with garlic and lemon, or blend them into a smoothie. They're not just good for your muscles, they also support your heart, improve your digestion, and reduce pain from inflammation. Have you considered adding beet greens to your diet? If not, now might be the time to start. Stay with us, because coming up, we'll explore another vegetable that can work wonders for your legs and overall health: mustard greens. As we age, muscle inflammation becomes one of the leading causes of weakness and immobility. With the gradual loss of muscle mass, the body's response to minor injuries slows down, causing prolonged pain, stiffness, and discomfort. This is particularly true for older adults who often experience chronic inflammation in their muscles. So, what if there was a natural way to fight this inflammation without relying on medications? Let me introduce you to mustard greens. Mustard greens are loaded with glucosinolates, which are natural compounds that, once digested, produce isocyanates. These isocyanates are powerful in reducing muscle inflammation. For older adults, where most muscle weakness begins with inflammation, mustard greens could be a game changer. But it's not just about inflammation. Mustard greens also offer a rare and essential combination of nutrients, including vitamin E, potassium, and folate, which are crucial for maintaining muscle health. One of the most fascinating aspects of mustard greens is how they support the nervous system. As we age, our nerves don't always communicate as efficiently with our muscles. This can lead to slower muscle reactions, which is why many older adults feel that their muscles don't respond the way they used to. Mustard greens help improve nerve-to-muscle communication, making sure your body reacts more quickly and effectively. This can significantly reduce the risk of falls, which are common among seniors due to poor coordination and slow muscle responses. To get the most benefits, the best way to consume mustard greens is by lightly steaming them or blending them into a smoothie. Mixing mustard greens with ingredients like banana, lemon, and cucumber creates a nutritious, senior-friendly drink that is also gentle on the stomach. Mustard greens have been shown to reduce muscle cramps, improve balance, and provide a natural energy boost, helping you feel more active and engaged in your daily life. So have you tried adding mustard greens to your meals? If not, it might be time to give them a try and experience their benefits for yourself. Stay tuned, because coming up, we'll explore another powerful vegetable that can further boost your muscle health: Romanesco broccoli. Romanesco broccoli might look like something straight out of a science fiction movie, with its striking spiraled florets. But this vegetable is packed with extraordinary benefits for muscle health. As we age, one of the most significant challenges we face is the slower recovery of our muscles after activity. It becomes harder to bounce back, leaving us feeling sore and weak. That's where Romanesco broccoli comes in. It's a powerful tool for reversing these effects and boosting muscle strength and resilience. What makes Romanesco broccoli so special is its high content of sulforaphane. This compound activates the NRF2 pathway, which is responsible for cellular defense and repair. As we age, the NRF2 pathway slows down, leading to longer recovery times and persistent muscle weakness. Romanesco broccoli helps jumpstart this process, helping to clean up damaged muscle proteins and kickstart cellular repair. This means faster recovery, less muscle stiffness, and a greater ability to keep your muscles strong and active. But that's not all. Romanesco broccoli is also rich in MSM, methyl sulfonylumethane, a sulfur-based compound essential for maintaining the flexibility of our joints and tendons. As we age, collagen in our joints stiffens, making movement more difficult. Romanesco broccoli helps maintain this flexibility, reducing friction in the joints and improving overall mobility, which is essential for staying active and independent. Additionally, Romanesco is packed with boron, a mineral that enhances the absorption of magnesium and vitamin D, two nutrients crucial for muscle strength and coordination. With age, these nutrients become harder to absorb, but Romanesco broccoli helps increase their bioavailability, ensuring your muscles get the fuel they need to remain strong. By restoring these vital nutrients, Romanesco helps seniors regain their vitality, improve muscle strength, and stay active for longer. Incorporating Romanesco broccoli into your meals is an easy and delicious way to support your muscle health and overall mobility. Whether steamed, roasted, or added to soups, this vegetable is a great addition to your diet, helping you rebuild muscle resilience and stay strong as you age. Watercress. Let's talk about watercress, often just thought of as a garnish, but this unassuming green is a powerhouse for your muscles. In fact, watercress is one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can consume. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, it ranks number 1 out of 47 foods for nutrient density. But it's not just about the quantity of nutrients. It's about the quality of what it provides. Watercress is packed with phytochemicals, including phenyl isothiocyanate, which has been shown to stimulate mitochondrial biogenesis. In simpler terms, this means watercress helps your muscles create more mitochondria, the energy-producing powerhouses within your cells. As we age, the function of our mitochondria declines, leading to tired, fatigued muscles. By increasing the number of mitochondria in your muscle cells, watercress helps restore the energy and stamina you need for daily activities, keeping you active and energized. But there's even more to it. Watercress is also high in nitrates, which help improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to your muscles. This is especially beneficial for seniors, as it ensures that even with minimal activity, your muscles are getting the oxygen and nutrients they need to stay strong. The nitrates in watercress help improve muscle performance and reduce fatigue, which can be a game changer for those with chronic leg weakness or muscle soreness. What's even better, watercress is incredibly easy to add to your diet. You can toss it into salads, blend it into smoothies, or saute it with garlic and olive oil for a delicious, nutrient-packed side dish. Just a couple of cups a day can make a noticeable difference in reversing the signs of muscle fatigue, swelling, and instability that often come with aging. So have you tried incorporating watercress into your meals yet? If not, now's the perfect time to start reaping the benefits of this powerful muscle-boosting vegetable. Stay with us because we'll continue exploring other foods that can keep you feeling strong and healthy, combining these vegetables for maximum benefit. Now that you've learned about these incredible vegetables, you might be wondering how to incorporate them into your daily meals. The good news is that adding these muscle-boosting vegetables to your routine doesn't require drastic changes to your diet. In fact, you can easily create a delicious, nutrient-packed salad using raw red cabbage, beet greens, and mustard greens. Lightly steam the Romanesco broccoli to bring out its flavor and texture, and then top everything off with a generous serving of watercress for that extra boost of energy and muscle support. This simple, senior-friendly meal is a powerhouse of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. It targets inflammation, improves circulation, and supports muscle regeneration. The combination of these vegetables works synergistically to strengthen your muscles, reduce fatigue, and improve flexibility. Plus, they're incredibly versatile, so you can adjust the flavors to your taste. Incorporating these vegetables into your meals regularly is an easy and enjoyable way to give your muscles the nourishment they need to stay strong as you age. So why not give it a try today? You'll not only be feeding your muscles, but also taking a proactive step toward healthier, more active aging. Now that we've explored the powerful benefits of these 5 incredible vegetables, red cabbage, beet greens, mustard greens, Romanesco broccoli, and watercress, you have all the tools you need to start strengthening your muscles and improving your overall health. By incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your daily routine, you can target inflammation, support muscle regeneration, and improve circulation, making it easier to stay active and independent as you age. Remember, it doesn't take drastic changes to your diet to see results. A simple, nutrient-packed salad with raw red cabbage, beet greens, mustard greens, lightly steamed Romanesco broccoli, and a generous serving of watercress can make a world of difference for your muscle health. These vegetables are easy to prepare, full of vitamins and antioxidants, and packed with all the essential nutrients your body needs to stay strong. So thank you for watching, and I hope you found this information helpful. If you're ready to take charge of your health and start feeling stronger, I encourage you to give these vegetables a try and see the difference for yourself. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss more helpful tips for living a strong, healthy life as you age. Also, feel free to leave a comment below. Let us know which of these vegetables you're excited to add to your meals. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.